A quick flashback to early 2019 will reveal a company called Move Acoustics making headlines with their very affordable consumer-centric audio products. They tied up with big names like Virat Kohli to promote these products in India and have been getting really popular over time. Or at least they were getting popular in 2019. I myself have used their entire range of audio products, including their pretty good quality Impulse 2 Pro headphones and they are not so great Move Acoustics Edge wireless earphones. And these kind of fit somewhere in between their speaker range. They made two speakers if I recall correctly. One was called the Move Acoustics Box, which I did try and then I gave it to my friend. And this is the Move Acoustics A Star. I've been using this for the past 15 months, but ever since the quarantine hit, I haven't been using this and I have switched to wireless earphones. But yeah, even though I haven't used it for 7 months, I suddenly found it among my things and I thought it will be fun to take a second look at it. How has this thing aged after 15 months? And surprisingly, it still has a charge. Now till now I owned about 5 or 6 different speakers and I've always given them away to my friends because I eventually get bored of it. Before the Move Acoustics A Star, I was actually using the Zenbeats X7. This thing is pretty crazy loud and I got it for free I think from Zenbeats because they wanted a promotional blog post. But yeah, this thing has 2 drivers and it gets pretty damn loud. But the only problem with this thing was that its Bluetooth connectivity wasn't very reliable. So I think it was using an older version of Bluetooth, maybe 4.0 or something. But thankfully this thing kind of bested it in terms of the Bluetooth connectivity. Now I still use this as a wired speaker sometimes, kind of my laptop powered home theater system thing. But yeah, even though I still use this, I dish this one out every time I want to connect this to my phone or my laptop just to watch a few videos. Now there are a couple of great things about this that you can pretty much appreciate at this price point. Now first of all, it's water resistant, so that's the reason why it doesn't have any aux port on the outside and the charging port has a rubber seal, which is pretty damn annoying to remove when you're charging this. All the buttons have seals and there is even an included 3.5mm cable which I broke off. The problem with that cable was that they didn't want to provide a headphone jack on the outside and they went the Apple route. So in order to make this water resistant, they removed the headphone port from the outside and kind of gave an extension cable that had a headphone connector, like a 3.5mm connector, so you can directly plug that to your laptop. But the problem was the cable only went around once, so it was approximately this long. That's not long enough. That's what she said. But yeah, the speaker is basically attached to the cable on one side, so the other side, even though it would go to the laptop or any other device that you have, it would keep dangling here, so it was always hanging by a thread and you couldn't use the cable that you have. So that was kind of a downside of this thing, so it eventually ended up damaging it, so I ripped it off. I use this as a Bluetooth device anyway, so I didn't really need an aux cable, but yeah, that's the one downside of this thing. It has an aux cable attached to the speaker. It has a couple of cool things, like if you rotate the back, there is this carry flap that comes up which you can kind of attach to your backpack or your belt. So this is really meant to be an outdoor speaker. I mean, water resistant and stuff. It's really a palm friendly size. So again, since I love portable stuff, this is really right into my ballpark. Now speaker quality is quite excellent. It's a single giant, maybe around 30mm driver, and yeah, it does produce very good sound. I'm more impressed that even after 7 months of not being used, not even for 1 minute, it still has power left in it. So I guess it kind of complements its battery life, which was pretty great actually. Once you charge this thing up for about say an hour or so, you basically could use it continuously for I think 6 to 7 hours, and it even had that smart turn off feature. So basically if this is not playing audio for say 5 minutes, it will automatically turn off. It was kind of annoying sometimes, like when you pause this music and you go and get your dinner, by the time you come back this has turned off, so you have to turn it on back again. So, I mean, it's a couple of seconds, but kind of gets annoying sometimes. But yeah, this is supposed to be like a battery saving, easy to carry thing, so it's designed to save battery as much as possible. So that's why it automatically switches off after 3 to 4 minutes. Whereas a giant speaker like this one, it usually stays on for a very long time. In fact, it stays on for I think 20 minutes. It's currently going for $15.99, which is not bad at all. I mean, a speaker like this, which has Bluetooth issues, this was about 4,000 rupees I think. I mean, yeah, granted I didn't pay for any of these, but still, it's kind of a nice purchase to have. Even if I had to buy it for 1500 rupees, I think I would. I have used this continuously last year, pretty much on a daily basis, because I wasn't using headphones back then. I was keeping my laptop about a few feet away from my face, and I would keep these speakers next to it. So I was a big speaker guy back then. Yeah, Moog Acoustics A Star, still going strong after 15 months. Pretty nice. Of course, the cable broke off. That's partly my fault. I wasn't very careful with this, and I used it a lot more than it was supposed to. I mean, the cable was very tiny and flimsy. Like, it was very thin. It wasn't meant to be used as a rugged cable. Now, there are some downsides as well, because this thing is a tiny, like a compact form factor Bluetooth speaker. It doesn't have any additional ports like a speaker like this would have. See, it directly takes a micro SD card into it, so you can kind of insert your a memory card and directly have it play media through it. So you don't have to use this as a Bluetooth speaker. You can kind of use it as a standalone music device, something that this thing cannot do. But hey, given the size and the price, I think this is A Star. A Star, get it? That was bad. Yeah, anyway, that was a quick look at the Moog Acoustics A Star, a pretty impressive, tiny, compact Bluetooth speaker. You should definitely look into this if you're looking for a tiny Bluetooth speaker that does have quite a powerful punch. Anyway, if you like this video, then yeah, leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about this, you can drop them in the comments down below. I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.